Have you ever wondered what truly happens to your consciousness during sleep? While your body rests, your mind embarks on an adventure, exploring realms that often feel more vivid and real than the life you live when awake. It's as if you're stepping into a parallel universe where the impossible becomes possible and the mundane transforms into the extraordinary. Sleep has long been viewed simply as a time for rest, a necessary pause in our busy lives. But what if I told you that this nightly ritual is not just about recharging our physical bodies? What if there's something deeper, something profoundly transformative happening within our minds while we sleep? Throughout history, people have shared stories of dreams that foretold the future, visions that offered wisdom, and experiences that seemed to transcend time and space. From the vivid dreams of famous figures like Nikola Tesla to the bizarre encounters many of us have experienced, sleep is a portal to a world rich with meaning and mystery. The science of sleep. What happens to our brain? As we dive deeper into the fascinating world of sleep, let's take a moment to explore what happens inside our brains during this mysterious state. When we close our eyes and drift off, our bodies enter a complex cycle of sleep stages, each with its own unique characteristics and purposes. The sleep cycle consists of two main types: non-rapid eye movement, NREM, sleep, and rapid eye movement, REM, sleep. NREM sleep is further divided into three stages, each progressively deeper than the last. During these stages, our bodies undergo essential restorative processes. Our muscles relax, our heart rate slows, and our brain begins to consolidate memories from the day. Imagine this. Picture your brain as a bustling city filled with activity and energy during the day. As night falls, the city begins to quiet down. In the first stage of NREM sleep, your brain waves start to slow down, akin to the lights dimming in the city as people head home. In the deeper stages, the brain continues to organize and file away the day's experiences, much like a librarian sorting through books in a library. Now, let's talk about REM sleep, which typically occurs about 90 minutes after falling asleep. This stage is where the magic truly happens. During REM sleep, your brain becomes highly active, and most of our vivid dreaming occurs. It's as if the city has come alive again, with bright lights and bustling streets. Your brain is busy processing emotions, solving problems, and even preparing for challenges ahead. A fascinating example of this is the story of Elias Howe, the inventor of the sewing machine. According to legend, he struggled with the design until he dreamt of being attacked by cannibals who had spears with holes in their tips. This vivid dream inspired him to create the sewing machine needle with a hole at the end, forever changing the way we sew. From this, we learn an important lesson. Our dreams are not just random images. They can be powerful tools for creativity and problem solving. They provide a unique space for our minds to explore possibilities beyond the constraints of our waking life. As we reflect on the incredible processes happening in our brains while we sleep, we begin to understand that sleep is not merely a passive state. It is a vital, dynamic experience that shapes our thoughts, feelings, and even our realities. Now that we've uncovered the science behind sleep and the remarkable workings of our brains, let's move on to the next part of our journey. We'll explore the enchanting realm of dreams, those fascinating portals to our subconscious that offer insights into our deepest desires, fears, and creativity. What secrets do our dreams hold? Let's find out together. It's waiting to be discovered. Now that we've ventured into the fascinating world of dreams and their connection to our subconscious, let's turn our attention to a particularly captivating phenomenon: the role of DMT in our sleep experiences. How does this powerful substance influence our dreams, and what can it teach us about the nature of consciousness? Let's explore together DMT and the mystical experience of dreams. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of our dream world, we encounter a fascinating substance that has captured the curiosity of scientists, mystics, and dreamers alike: DMT, or dimethyltryptamine. Often referred to as the spirit molecule, DMT is a powerful psychedelic compound found naturally in various plants and even produced in small amounts by our own bodies. Its connection to dreams and altered states of consciousness is both intriguing and profound. Research suggests that DMT may play a role in our dreaming process. Some scientists propose that during REM sleep, when most vivid dreaming occurs, the brain might release DMT, enhancing the intensity and surreal quality of our dreams. This could explain why some dreams feel so otherworldly, filled with vibrant colors and extraordinary experiences that seem beyond the realm of reality. Consider the accounts of those who have experienced DMT in a ceremonial setting. Many report profound feelings of interconnectedness, encounters with otherworldly beings, and insights that challenge their understanding of existence. As we journey further into the realm of sleep, we encounter a phenomenon that many find both terrifying and intriguing: sleep paralysis. This experience occurs when a person is temporarily unable to move or speak while falling asleep or waking up, often accompanied by vivid hallucinations and a sense of pressure on the chest. For many, it can feel as though they are caught between the worlds of wakefulness and dreams, leading to a unique and sometimes unsettling experience. During sleep paralysis, the body remains in a state of REM sleep, where muscle atonia, temporary paralysis of the muscles, prevents us from acting out our dreams. However, if the mind becomes aware before the body fully awakens, it can create a disorienting experience. Many describe feeling an ominous presence in the room, hearing strange sounds, or even experiencing a sensation of being held down. These vivid sensations can blur the lines between reality and the dream state. Join me as we uncover the profound effects of restful sleep on our creative potential. Conclusion: the importance of understanding sleep and dreams. As we conclude our exploration into the fascinating world of sleep and dreams, it's essential to reflect on the profound impact they have on our lives. Sleep is not merely a time of rest, it is a vital process that rejuvenates our bodies and minds, allowing us to navigate the complexities of our waking hours with clarity and purpose. Understanding the intricacies of sleep and dreams can empower us to enhance our well-being and enrich our experiences. Throughout our journey, we've uncovered the many layers of sleep, from the mystical nature of dreams to the perplexing phenomenon of sleep paralysis. Each aspect reveals a deeper connection to our subconscious, our emotions, and our creativity. For instance, we learned how dreams can serve as portals to our inner selves, offering insights that can guide us in our personal journeys. Similarly, the experience of sleep paralysis highlighted the importance of knowledge in transforming fear into understanding. We can unlock our full potential. As we embrace the wisdom gained from our exploration, let us remember that sleep is a gift, a time for our minds to wander, our bodies to heal, and our spirits to rejuvenate. By nurturing our sleep and paying attention to our dreams, we open ourselves to a richer, more fulfilling life. In closing, I invite you to continue your own journey into the realm of sleep and dreams. Whether through keeping a dream journal, practicing mindfulness, or simply prioritizing restful nights, there is so much to discover. Remember, every night is an opportunity to explore the depths of your consciousness and awaken to new possibilities. Thank you for joining me on this enlightening journey. May your nights be peaceful, your dreams be vivid, and your waking hours be filled with inspiration.